Hello guys, how are you? Today's topic is make money with CPA affiliate program, offers and products. Firstly, we want to know what is CPA affiliate program, offers and products. Before I answer this question on CPA affiliate, I want you to please view this video till the end. Subscribe this channel, like this video and please comment below if you like this video. Thank you. Let's move forward. CPA means cost per acquisition, otherwise known as cost per action, is a form of affiliate marketing where advertisers pay for a specific form of acquisition or action or leader to be taken. In affiliate marketing holding period of 30 to 60 days, whereas in CPA affiliate program you get paid instantly with no refunds. Make bigger profits with high-paying affiliate programs. Choose best CPA programs to start your traffic monetization. Unlike some other forms of internet marketing, I think CPA is very straightforward, although the successful implementation is anything but straightforward. When it comes to affiliate marketing, CPA refers to ways you can earn revenue without actually making a sale. What is CPA benefits? One benefit of CPA is it converts well and you can drive traffic from various sources. At the same time, the downside of CPA in comparison to affiliate marketing is, it pays less. So thumb of the rule is, don't limit yourself to one form of making money online. Where I can find CPA network. CPA Network's Max Bounty. This CPA network has been on the market since 2004. ClickBooth. ClickBooth is one of the most popular and fastest growing CPA network. Crack Revenue. Click Dealer. CPA Led. Admitted. CPA Matica, etc. Like these, you will find lots of them around the world. How affiliate get commissions? In CPA, you get paid for completing an action that could be as simple as getting a user to fill up a form or take any other desired action, whereas in affiliate marketing, you get paid when somebody makes a purchase. CPA is considered to be easier than affiliate marketing for a simple reason: here you get paid for sending a lead. Once the traffic you send converts into a lead, after that it's the job of the particular network to convert into the sales. Anyhow, you would be paid for the lead. In affiliate marketing you will get commission only if somebody buys the product you are promoting. It is a cost per sale model. For example, some companies like apps or any health companies will pay you simply for a lead and first sale. If you send someone to their website and that person fills out an quote form and in some cases buy first offer, that may be enough to earn you some decent revenue. Why I am saying first offer? Because companies after first sale offer different upsell products to customers. If they buy those offers, you will not get paid commission for those upsell, you only get paid for first sale or lead in CPA affiliate marketing. How you can plan to be a successful CPA affiliate. CPA marketing can also be called affiliate marketing. In order to have a successful affiliate program, you have to recruit affiliates or work with an affiliate network, and install some software on your app to track the sales by affiliate. Generally, affiliates that will promote product for a CPA either don't have a sales force to sell their inventory on a CPM, CPC basis, or believe the effective CPM will be higher than using Google AdSense. Email is also a typical channel used by affiliates, because the cost to send is low and the potential for net profit is high, even with low conversion rates. When you have decided to try CPA marketing in action, regardless of whether you are a publisher or advertiser, you need to first register within the chosen network. In some CPA companies, it is free, and they assign you to a dedicated manager who will help you from the very beginning to set up your profile, then will consult you regarding promoting your business online and other activities. It is sufficient to say that online marketing, micro-targeting, and global affiliate networks prefer to work with the CPA marketing model. In this way, if you want to earn more and be well equipped in the 21st century, you need to use the benefits of global affiliate marketing networks and their effective models. The shortest way is to find a good CPA network and sign in as a publisher or as an advertiser, choose globally prized brands, and monetize your traffic regardless the boundaries of the old-fashioned world. Conclusion. This is a complete plan to execute a CPA marketing strategy. Whatever that you need to plan, whatever that you need to do for the benefit of you or your organization as a whole can be done with this as a reference point. Following the steps I've outlined will help you make the most of CPA and affiliate marketing. I hope this video will helpful to you to understand the CPA affiliate program, offers and products. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Cheers.